Hello everybody, it's me Wes, and we're going to do another review on this channel. So I'm reviewing the BOYA microphone by BY-DM200. The microphone quality you're going to hear right now is just going to be my phone, and then later I will do a test like this. So just be aware of that and compare the two. So this is a Lightning condenser microphone, superb sound for iOS devices. So compatible with iPhone, iPad, boom, and iPod. What does it say over here? Use made for iPhone X, iPhone 8, blah blah blah. Features for mobile journalist, vlogger, and videographer. Sweet. So I'm excited to use this for my videos, but I'm low-key thinking about doing a podcast, so we'll see how that goes. Super Cardioid condenser microphone. Don't really know what that means exactly, but it's fine. Apple MFI certified. No need external battery. That's nice. So it just goes off the life of the phone. So that's cool. All that stuff. Yeah. So it should come with this part for the microphone and that part for the microphone. So let's just open her up. Oh no, I'm ripping the box. Sorry, this channel, oh wow, I'm really bad at opening boxes. This channel is full of me ripping boxes, never opening them like they're supposed to be. Boom. Anything else in here? Some paperwork. And thing. What is this? Yeah, cool. Warranty card. All right, I think that's it. That's in the box. Put that over there. Oh, simple instructions. So, components. Cool. Using the microphone. Some iOS apps are specifically for their own devices. Okay. So, I think let's just get into it, and then we'll figure out that stuff if we need to. Put those to the side. All right, here we go, boys and girls. All right, so first thing you will see is the microphone. It's already got this on it. Let's pull this off. Boop. So yeah, there's the microphone. And just so you guys know, this was about $40 on Amazon. So cool stuff. So we get that. This. Some treats for later. Just kidding, don't eat that. And then we got this. So what this one is, it's just for outside. Just kind of helps with the ASMR. Oh, this is where is it? Is it opening? Oh, there it is. There. Boom. This is just for if you need to go outside. It just helps with it being, yeah, just with the wind and stuff. And then the carrying case. It's nice. Boop. Yep. So this is my first purchase, or one of my first purchases. Oh no. It's one of my first purchases to just kind of better the quality of my channel. So I'll do some other shots and we'll figure out how much better the quality of the sound will be. So let's get into it. Alright, so just do a quick comparison. So I'm holding the phone about maybe 2 feet away. This is the noise in the camera, so, or the phone. So let's see what happens when I plug it in. All right, so same distance. Right now I have the microphone. Is there a mirror? It has a mirror. So I don't know if you see that. See the microphone now? Right there. So I don't know if it's any better. I'm talking about the same volume. So yeah, we'll see if it's any better. I also wanted to try a voice memo and see what that would sound like. So here's without the microphone. And here is with the microphone. So hopefully there's a difference. Just listening to the videos, I did see a difference. I did hear a difference. I listened with my AirPods and the voice just sounds more clear. So we'll see how it works with the voice memos as well. But one thing I would like to say is that it's very nice to just have the microphone just seamlessly be a microphone. You don't have to do any software things. You don't have to do any apps or any of that. Let's go try this mic out now. All right, so we're gonna be outside right now. So the mic has the, they call it like the dead cat or whatever. It was really windy, but now it's not, so I was hoping to test that out, but it's okay. Anywho, we'll just test out some outside audio. Oh, our power's still going low-key. Anyways, some little things I've noticed. One, keep in mind if you have it plugged in and you don't have any external headphones or earbuds or anything like AirPods, if you're trying to just listen to use the speakers on the phone, you won't be able to hear anything because the microphone will be plugged in. So that's something to think about. Hold on. Kind of boring looking at nothing, isn't it? What other things was I thinking about? So yeah, you can't hear audio when it's plugged in from your phone. You can't hear microphone audio. There was another thing. Dang it, I forgot. Anyways, it's just really nice because like it just works so seamlessly. There's no apps or anything that you have to do. No software or anything. It just plugs in and you're good. But like I said, with an iPhone, there's only one plug, so, and this takes up some juice because it takes off battery from that. So just remember that, and you might have to take breaks here and there. Let's see, anything else I was thinking of? Oh, I was thinking of also, you could do like some crazy rigs with this thing, because think about it. If you have one of those like adapters that you can plug in and it has like the dongle thing, maybe you could like do some crazy setups with this thing. It would be kind of cool. What else did I was thinking? There's so many things I was thinking. I should have wrote it down. I need to make this 4 minutes long so I can make a 10-minute video. It does sound a lot better, to be honest. It sounds really good. Sometimes, like, I guess with the iPhone, it sounds okay with audio. But honestly, like, especially when you're like really close like this, it sounds really good. But it's a shotgun mic as well. That's what I was thinking about. So remember, it's not gonna take up audio if I'm focusing this thing like this. If I'm like backwards, you're looking at the light. Oh, it's so bright, and the microphone's pointing this way, right? And I'm over here. It won't work as good. So make sure that the microphone is pointing at the subject, because you're dealing with a shotgun mic. I like the carrying case because you can take whatever. I like how they give you two different things. That way you can do outside audio. If it's not a windy day like today, I can just put the other thing on. But I think those what do they call? Those covers for the mic are really important to have, so that way you don't ruin your mic. Remember, this is a $40 mic, so it's not going to have huge changes in audio quality, but it's enough to make it sound what's the word, like underneath professional. Sounds like that. Yeah, it's really good. I really enjoy just making little adjustments to reach that better quality. And I feel like audio is a big one, because the people are listening with headphones and AirPods, and it just sounds crap if you don't have a mic. So you either got to get really close to your phone, or you got to buy a microphone for your phone, or you buy other mics and use a computer, blah blah blah, and get a huge setup, and it costs thousands of dollars. But I have no budget for that. I gotta go to college, so this is what I got. This microphone, $40 on Amazon. So yeah, hopefully that helps you guys. So let's get on to the next part of the video. Well, there you have it, everyone. There's the microphone. Right now, I kind of just thought of something. If you record this way, you can have but you want to speak, you put the microphone backwards, and it probably picks up your voices better. So a little something like that. So yeah, that was my review. Let's go back over here. Don't pay attention to my dirty room. So yeah, that was the review of the BOYA by DM200. It's about $40 on Amazon. I'll try to leave a link down below, and so you guys can buy it. I would think this is an amazing buy for beginners of just wanting to get their sound quality up, because just listening to everything I just did, all the tests, it was really good. No complaints. Everything sounds great. Focus, except for my camera's focus. There we go. Anywho, just a good buy for beginner YouTubers, vloggers, or podcasters. So yeah. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully y'all liked this video. Hopefully it helps you guys in your next purchase. And it's me, Wes, and I'll catch you in the next video. So make sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment for what you want me to do next. So, peace.